Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here we go, right? So we are in a, all right, so we are in a, where the hell is it? Here it is, okay, 99, 14, all right? So we are in a 99 low, 14 high. We are in a snake wave, okay? 04 is a hot spot. It's a level of interest. Clean break of 04. We are expecting the price to continue all the way to 99. Right? Okay. And of course, then, okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's a couple of minutes to the open. We all know the open. We all know that the open can, the price cannot take our 04 support. Clean break. It'll go to 99. If it bounces, of course, it's going to find a little bit of resistance 06. But as long as the price is above 09, then the bulls are in control. Below 04, the bears are in control. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time right now, 9:28. Our 04 holding. Okay, so we're gonna have some massive chop here, 04, 06, 2 points, and then 08. Oh my God, if it goes to 08, oh my God, that's gonna be, from 04 to 08, 4 points. Holy, we are so lucky, right? That's the price action that we have today. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so a clean break of 04, I'm expecting a continuation of all the way to 99. All right, so then 08 becomes resistance, and we'll take it from there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so our 04 holding. All right, as long as 04 is holding, the bulls are in complete control. And that's right, that's 08 right there. I told you, at the open, a bounce, strong bounce to the upside. It'll go to 08. Mystique, is that 775?
Correct.
I believe it is, right?
Yeah.
Look at it. Remember? I say, oh my God, we're so lucky. It's going to go to 08. From 4 to 08, 4 points. Oh my God, we can buy a Lamborghini now. Right? Look at that, 775. Okay, so I'm expecting a continuation. Chop here, this 04, 08. As long as the price is above 04, bulls are in control. Okay. All right. And the odds of the price breaking 08 and 04 are the same. Okay. That's what we have, and that's what we have. All right. What's the high above 04? Clean break to the rubber. Then we're expecting the price to test 12. Right? Okay. So as long as 8 is holding, right? Look at this chop, right? Right? There is no 08 needs to be taken for the bulls to take complete control. Right now, they are in control, but they don't have complete control. All right? 08 needs to be taken. And that's going to take us where? To the high of this wave, 12, and then 14. Okay? And then that 14, my friend, is going to stop the price, I believe. Okay? That's what I think. All right, then. Okay? In the meantime, we have to put up with massive chop right here of 408. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so far so good. Right, we know that the main play is low when the price couldn't take 04. We have target 22, right? Yeah. Okay, we're approaching that target 1, right? Is that 21.5, Mystique?
It is.
All right, so 2 more ticks to our first target, 22. All right, so we have direction up. Every trade that we take must have all these 7 elements. All right? Has direction, location, protection, destination, position size, trade management, and account management.
That's it. Show me lot 21.
Okay, 21. So the price goes to, is that 1 tick below 22, Mystique?
Yes, 21.75.
I believe it is. All right. So some of us, those who, because remember, bounce of OA or 4, we knew price was gonna go first to OA. It did. It gave us confirmation that the odds were that the price was gonna take OA. And we knew that it was gonna go to 22. Here it is. We have it half an hour ago. We have target 122. All right, so we have direction up, entry location, the bounce or the breakout of OA. Protection, of course, break of 4. We know price was going to go to 299. So that's the stop right there. All right, target 22. I gave it to you, what, 10, 15 minutes ago? Target, position size. You know exactly what to do with your position size. And now we are on trade management. Stop, break even, start trading. Target 122. And we're going to remain long until I tell you not anymore. All right, so our job now is to look two things. Number one, is the price going to take 22? And if it is, where is it going to go? That's what we got to know now. In the meantime, we're going to continue managing our long position. And since we trade multiple contracts, we just got, you know, that it's okay to get out 1 point below target, 1 point above, right there. All right, so target 1, even though it went to 21.75, is officially hit, because if it's 22, you know that you can get out 21. Not only you know you can get out 21, counter trended with a small position, with the micros. All right, because the reason 22 is target 1, ladies and gentlemen, is because it's resistance. And if it is resistance, why not short it? Tell me. Give me a good reason why not short 22. Tell me, mistake. If it's resistance, why are we not going to short it?
No good reason.
No good reason. Short it. Counter trend like we always do. Right? Okay. Are we going to buy a Lamborghini on a counter trend? Of course not. Counter trend by definition is a move against the most the force in control, which is bull. Right? But we know where resistances are, and we're going to take advantage of it. So while we continue looking for target 2, we're going to take advantage of this counter trend short and make a couple of bucks on this pullback. Listen, how the hell did I know, mistake? I want you to tell me that a clean break of OA price was going to continue going up, number 1, and number 2, it was going to take 14. Remember, I told everybody, we're not going to short 14 because 14 is just a destination. It's weak, even though it's right there, you know, the top of the wave, and it's going to continue going to 22. How the hell did I know that 20 minutes ago? Tell me.
Because you're clairvoyant.
Look at that, 21 quarter. And how the hell did I know that 22 was a strong enough resistance that is worth counter trending short? Tell me, how the hell did I know that?
That's amazing.
Do you think a teenager on YouTube, those kids that just started trading 5 years ago, you know, those teenagers, they're what, 20, 21, 22, and they're master traders? They've never been in a bear market. So the last bear market in 08, how old were they? 5, 6? They started trading when they were 6 years old. All these teenagers, mistake. Is that when they started trading?
I don't think so.
They don't even know what a bear market is. Can you believe that? Please. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So in other words, just so that you know that you have to be really careful with that, all those scams on YouTube. Look at this beautiful pullback all the way to G12 from 22. That's 10 points, right? Isn't this 10 points that we're making on this pullback?
That is correct.
All right then. All right. So until I tell you, you just keep with the plan. All right. Don't be fooled by this pullback. All right. Oh my God, what a strong pullback. That's it. 22 is the high of day. This thing is now gonna continue going down. So I'm gonna show. No. Do not. The main play is still long. I am still expecting target 2 somewhere. And this is just a counter trend that we took short so that we take advantage of the fact that we knew that 22 was going to be strong enough to have the price not take it, and not only not take it, but recoil and give us a nice pullback. Look at that, right? Okay, from 22 all the way to 11. So that's 11 points. I know with the micros, right, with a small position, but it's better to make 10 points on with a small position than make no points with a big position that doesn't exist. You know how many retail traders, you know how many amateurs, as soon as the price took OA, sure, they went long, they got the hell out at 12. We, on the other hand, knew two things. Number one, that 12-14 was weak enough. It's recorded. I said it half an hour before, and I said we're not gonna counter trend it because it will be broken. That's number one, and, and number two, it's gonna be broken, and number three, it's going to 22. So you need to know all of that in order for you to manage your position, right? You're long right here, the bounce of 4, 5, 6, 7, or you took the break 08, you know it's gonna go to 22, and then you let it ride to 22, right? Which is one of the most difficult things for new traders to do, right? Is to let it ride, right? So when they have a winner, they get out right away, and when they have a loser, they don't get out. It's a cliche, but I gotta tell you, that cliche is so true. Our job now is the price going to take 11, right? Is it gonna take 10? It's gonna take 11. This 11 right here, right? Is 11. This pullback all the way to 11. Is that a swing low, or is that a higher high, a higher low? How strong is it? Is the price that just went to 16? Is it gonna take it, and then is it gonna go back to 08? That's exactly what we want to know now. All right. In the meantime, you have to keep with the plan. Okay. All righty. Let me repeat this. You can have the best system in the world, but if you don't have confidence in doing what your system tells you to do, then you're not going to have the discipline to do it. And then who cares if you actually have the holy grail? If you don't do what your system tells you to do, then it's not going to work for you. And that's why 99% of traders in the world don't make it in this business. All right, so the counter trend 21, 22, right? That we took, the short that we took here. What we now want to know is this counter trend eventually going to take 04 and become the main play? You just hang in there. All right, until I tell you so, we continue with the plan. Look at this. Remember our OA? What do you think? This clean break of this 11, where do you think it's going to go? Do you see any resist? Do you see any support between 11 and OA? You see any support? No. So it's going to continue to OA. And then when the smart money is really vicious, what do? They do a full they do a full retracement. It looks like a reversal. It's not yet. Okay, this is the smart money in my humble opinion. All right, this is the smart money taking the stops of all the weak bulls. The main play is still bullish. Fibonacci traders right now, they're going crazy because they wanted to go long the 50 and the 60 and the 48 and the 38 and the 39 and the 77.2 and all that garbage, right? Smart money knows what the Bollinger Band guys are doing because the price is above and below and outside the band. So they're destroying all the retail traders. That's exactly what they're doing right now. All right? We're not going to let that happen to us. We're not going to let the smart money shake us out. On the contrary, this pullback is giving us a chance to build back better our long position. Of course, this pullback took our trail, but we still think that 04 is not going to be taken easily. So the further south the price comes, we believe it's a much better entry for us to add to a winner or to establish a new position long, right? So we have the best risk reward ratio. Is it guaranteed that the price is not going to destroy '04 and go to 299? Of course not. All right, but and that's why we're taking advantage of this counter trend short that we took at 22. All right. So in other words, we main play long. We are long, and we took a smaller. So in other words, we are long '04, and we are short 22. How do you like that? All right. This is how the S&P 500 is traded professionally. All right. Oh my God! But how can we have two positions, at once, one long and one short? Well, we went long '04 and we went short 22. What's the problem with that? Long with the S, short with the counter trend. What's the problem? Take advantage of this pullback. No, but Capi, this pullback is so steep that it took my trail. I'm not long anymore. It's okay. You know, take advantage of this move down from 22 all the way to '07. Isn't that beautiful? This is how it's done. You take advantage of every single move, but you need to know that '04 is an entry long, and you need to know that 22 is an entry short, number one. And number two, you need to know what kind of trade it's going to be. You need to know that 22 is a counter trend, and you need to know that '04 or break of '08 is the main play. Why do you think that the price went all the way from 22 all the way to '08? They know that a lot of retail traders that went long '08, they're going to get out. So smart money needs to take their out, and needs to take their stops. Those who put a stop break even and didn't get out, greedy, they didn't know that they had to get out 22. They didn't know it, so they didn't. Then once the price start pulling back, it's too late for them, and then that's how that's how a sad story begins for them. So right here, right now, '04, right here, right now, '04, right? It's a tough, right? It's a tough add to a winner or establish a new position long. Remember, you stay long until I tell you not to anymore. So we just went long again '04, and this is it. Price comes right back down to '04, destroys 204. We know where it's going. We don't want to be long anymore. And the counter trend short that we took 22 is going to become the main play. So now we're going to manage our short counter trend 22. If '04 is taken, of course, then we're going to manage our counter trend short 22 as the main plays, as the main trade short. Oh my God, Capi, this thing, yeah, it bounced to '06. I just made 2 points back to '06. I'm going to get the hell out. Terrific. Get the hell out. Never let a winner turn into a loser, right?
Right.
Of course. Okay. All right. So I'm going to be out here. I'm going to look at my P&L green. I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to wait for the clean break listen, '04 needs to be destroyed for us not to want to still be long. That's all there is to it. You got to be strong, period. All right, you just got to be strong. Okay, I'm expecting a bounce all the way back to '08. We're gonna see how the price behaves around '08. If it doesn't and it takes '04, get the hell out. We already made what? How many points we made from '08 to 22? A whole bunch of points. How many points are we up from 22 all the way to '04? A whole bunch of points. You can afford to take a little bit of risk right here. That's all there is to it. Clean break. It's going to go to 99, and then we'll take it from there. All right? But until I tell you not to, then you continue with the plan. All right? Okay. So, price is taking off 4, right? No big deal. All right. So we were long. We gave it a shot. Price went all the way to 6.5. And now, what are we going to have now? Oh, are you kidding me? That's easy. Right? O2, O8 chop. O2, O8, O8, O2, O2, O8, O8, O2. This is going to be a no man's land right here. O2, O8, right? But remember, clean break of, it wasn't a clean break because there's no juice behind the action today. But now we officially change hats to bear, and now we're going to treat our counter trend short 22 as the main play. Even though price has not been clean taken or four, it took it all the way to O2. So now we believe, so we're out of the long that we had, and now we are going to 99. Main play now turned. The counter trend short is now the main play. Okay. All right. So we change hats in terms of what the main play is. Okay. Okay. So that's 99, right? So I told you, change hats, go short because 04 was taken. And then we believe that the price is going to go to 99. It's not a target, by the way. Remember, 99 is only the low. Okay, 99 is only the low of our original wave. Okay, so where is it going to go? Right here, 91. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking for target one. Well, that's easy. Ah, gee, please, are you kidding me? It's right here. All right, so target one, ladies and gentlemen, that's easy. All right, target one, ladies and gentlemen, that's easy. Here we go again with the word easy mistake.
You need to like retire that word.
Okay. Anyway, target one is right here. It's gonna be a range. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, target one is gonna be a range of. Okay, it's gonna be a range of. Okay, 86. Okay, 86. No, 85 is 1 point below. Okay, it's 85. Here's target one, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 85. Okay, our job is to now that we are sure the counter trend 22, our job is to let it ride all the way. Is to let it ride.
Can't hear you.
Is to let it all the way to wait a second, are you kidding me? All right, so sound test. Sound test.
Bimsy's typing. Let's see what he says.
Yes, yeah.
Michael can hear you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
You're good now.
Okay. All right. So whatever it was. All right. So 91, ladies and gentlemen, our job. All right. We wanted to let it ride all the way to what was I had 81 and 91, right? It was a range. I was saying that it was a range here.
85. Yeah. It was a range 85.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 85 is the low, and look at this. Look at this. Oh my God! Look at that. So smart money just had a ball taking all the stops of the weak bulls, and this it looks like a bear trap, right? We let it ride all the way to 91. Okay, we want the target one was here. This low right here is target one, ladies and gentlemen. This is real. This bounce is real, and things are getting to be now a little bit nasty. Okay, smart money, they know exactly what they're doing. All right. Okay, smart money know exactly what they're doing. Okay. All righty then. Okay, so target one, the high of the range is 91 and the low of the range is 85. We change hats. We are main play sure. Of course, price never goes anywhere in a straight line. All right, but this clean break of the low, right, give us confirmation that the main play is now sure, and our job is to let it ride to 91. Already did, of course, and by the by the time price goes to 91 and I'm placing it as a target, I also have the 85, right? So it's a 6 point range. Then look at this, look at this bounce, right? Strong. This is as tough as it gets. Smart money, having fun, right? Taking not only the stops of the weak bull, but a bear trap. So what do we have right now? Sideways action, 22.91. That's what we have right now. So what do we do now? We are out of the long 0408 that we had. We shorted 22. Okay. Remember, we shorted 22 here. Right, 22, 20, 22, 21. We shorted the counter trend. Okay. This is the main play now, and look how nasty the market is beginning to be. All right. Look at this beautiful bounce right here. Right now, things are getting tough. So we're going to phase 7. Oh my God, phase 7 so fast. Yes, that's right. Okay, keep what you made on this move up. Keep what you made on this move, beautiful move down. And let's see what the hell are we going to do now. All right. Okay. So we are in a single dimension. It's number one. And number two, right? Think about this. This is important. We only have the price go to target 1 to the upside, our target 1 to the upside 22. Price just goes there, cannot take it. We counter trend, and we beautifully have a drop all the way to 91. How many points is that? That's 30 points that we made on that counter trend, and 15 points that we made on the open, right, at the end. So now we are still bearish. We believe, this is what we believe. Remember that we trade what we believe. We believe that this 30-point drop is the real new trend. All right? For us, that's what it is. For a lot of other people, it's not. We don't care what other people do. All right, that's number one. All right. So price goes to our target 1 to the upside. Beautiful recoil. And on the way down, price goes to our target 1 also. So there is no follow through. Price couldn't take target 1 to when we were long, and the price couldn't take target 1 to the downside when we were short. Imagine that. So that's what we have right now. Okay, so I'm expecting more chop, these 30 points, and there is only one little difference, that we have a small odds that we still believe that the main play is this downtrend. That's what we believe it is. So if there is going to be a break of either 22 or 91, we believe is 91 that is the one that's going to be taken. But the odds are minuscule. All right, so that tells you, remember, day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. Keep what you already have. We made 15 points on the way up, and we made 30 points on the way down. We didn't have a chance to counter trend long that beautiful bounce, right? It happened so fast, and we wanted the price to continue to 85, remember? So we didn't even have a chance to counter trend long the mid-range, right? Which is right, the mid-range, 85, 86, 87, 88, right? That's the mid-range, 88. Price just it couldn't take the high of the range. So that's where we are at right now. Okay. And we are on a single dimension. Okay, single dimension. That's extremely important that we know that too. In other words, the market is not moving rhythmically the way we like it. Not anymore. We took advantage of the volatility of the open, the counter trend. We just made 40 points. We took advantage of all of that, but that's it. All right, from now on, I see just chop right here, 99, 14. That's what I see from now on. All right, so it's 14. And of course, 14 and okay, so 14. Of course, the high, our 22 and 27. Okay, so 27. Okay, 27 is the is target 2 for the bulls. 27. Clean break of 22. Price is gonna want to continue going all the way to achieve 20. Even the teenagers know 27, right? Everybody knows 27. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Let's see. Let's put it here. All right.